What is up, guys? Thank you guys for all the support. The Discord's popping off. We have about 118 people in it right now. Today is huge. I'm up 1.5% and my main holdings down today. So that shows you how good options have been today. Let's jump into our Microsoft plays. So if we jump into Microsoft, this is the call that I have right now. 313 is what it's at. I just picked it up when the market closed. And if we swipe up, we can see my history of me buying this one here. Let's hop over to Microsoft right now. Microsoft's at 213.59 after hours, which is huge because when I picked it up, it was 212.43 a share. So we're already up over $1 a share after hours. I bought and sold Microsoft. I bought it on Monday and sold it today, then rebought. Something just told me you gotta get back in this play if you can. So if we go back here to older activity, you can see the July 6th purchase for $405. Bought that at 9:47 in the morning. Sold that for $665 today at 326. Microsoft was retesting its high for the day, so I figured let's jump out, let's watch it the last 30 minutes. So with 15 minutes left in the day, said, you know what, I'm just gonna grab another Microsoft play, grabbed a call. I'm up right now, like it's $1. Overall, my total return is -$2, but $1 on Microsoft share price, which should pay off really well, I think, this coming week. I want to flip this in the morning because I don't want to hold it too long. If I hold it too long, it could get scary into next week because I have the expiration for July 17th. So I'm just banking on $1 or $2 movement. We've already seen one after hours. I also have a Facebook put, and I played a Facebook call this week that worked out tremendously. Right now my Facebook put is down $20 or 4%, and I grabbed this. I thought Facebook looked a little overextended, and just like yesterday, they hit all-time highs and then sold off really quickly. So they did that same thing today, but then rebounded. So I figured if they're at all-time highs at close, I'll grab a put, watch how they open in the morning. But tech is so strong, definitely the riskiest play that I've taken. And I bought this for $478 a share. It's currently sitting at $458. But today, when they fell a lot, this contract is worth $788 when Facebook was $237 a share. So I'm kind of looking if I could get a 20 to 30% return in the morning. I'll hop out, take my profits, and add it to the weekly amount. I'll show you guys the calls this week on Facebook that I made. So I bought one call July 7th. I bought that for $395 a contract. And then 2 minutes later, I sold that for $460 and made $65 in 2 minutes. Trading this contract, which was just absolutely insane. Then I proceeded to grab the $245 call today at 9:30. Had to hold that really long, sold it for $490 and made another $65 profit on Facebook calls. I used my second day trade for the week, so I have another one to use this week. And you guys know I have the put that goes until tomorrow I just talked about. So Facebook and just tech in general has been amazing for me this week. I played Apple. I'll show you guys my position. They're up $2 after hours. I was gonna grab a call. They just kept exploding. And my call from yesterday did really well too. If we scroll down, you guys can see right here, yesterday at 3:26, I bought a contract for a call for $400. I sold it this morning for $500, and then I watched that call become worth like $660, closer to $700 per contract. And they're probably gonna be even bigger tomorrow if Apple continues to grow. I mean, if you look at this past week growth on July 2nd, which was Thursday before the market closed, they were $366 a share. Now they're $382. They're just basically a money printer. So it's been cool to play with them, but I didn't stick in with them long term because they're so overextended that I just can't have peace of mind when I go to bed at night if I'm holding Apple overnight, because who knows, even though they're really strong, I would hate to wake up and see a $10 difference the next day in the other direction and then my contract down 50%. So those were kind of the plays that I've had this week. I'm gonna go to the calculator. We can add all of this up. But before I hop into showing you guys the profits that I've made from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, especially today, I hopped into DPST again. I now have 132 shares. I averaged my cost down from $54 to $52.85 because I started picking opening them up. So my current market value is $6,300 on them. And it's cool just to have your money in a leverage fund, because then you can watch it grow big day by day or lose big, where you just continue to dollar cost average your position if you're able to. So that's my new position on DPST. I'm really excited to see how they continue to grow and move, and they're getting close to retesting their low on May 13th, which was when they decided to take off all the way up to 115 a share, and right here it says 113, but they opened at 115 that day. So I think it's a really good position to be in, and if you have any shares, you're gonna be really happy in the future. So just give it some time. It could take even 3 months, could take 6 months, but any sort of market bullishness, we're gonna be in a really good position. So on Monday, we did that Facebook trade. We made 65. And we took that out, we put some of that into DPST, and then we hopped into Microsoft on Monday as well. We held that, we sold that today for a $260 profit, which was amazing, which I talked about. That was the 405 turning into 665. So we add that to it, so that takes us to 325. And then I was able to sell Facebook today, where I made a quick 65 again, but I had to hold that through, so we'll add that up to 390. I was able to take Apple overnight from Tuesday into Wednesday, which also proceeded to give me 100 on that one, so that's 490. After 3 days, I'm up $490. Microsoft looks like it's gonna continue to print more money for me, as Jerome Powell would say. I'm really happy with where I'm at. I moved a lot of the profits into DPST, but I'm also sitting in cash pretty heavily right now. Grabbed that Facebook put this week, so I'm really excited to watch that. But if you guys want to hop into more plays, continue to watch tech, because tech is so strong right now that you can also find good put plays. You know, like imagine having the put on Facebook from 242 down to 237. I think that was just an incredible amount of movement, and then for them to shoot back up, and now they're down after market right now. So it's pretty cool. Just continue to watch Facebook. There's so many good places to put your money right now. And the volatility is insane. I thought we'd seen the most volatility in April, where it started to trade up, and then May it started to flatten out. And just this last couple of weeks has just been up and down almost every day. Spotify is another good one to watch for this week. So keep your eye out for those. I hope your guys' trades have been going well. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to use the links below. Don't forget to check out the Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. That's gonna be everything for me. Let me know in the comments what moves you guys are making this week, and let's move from there. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.